In this video, we listed the 5 best outdoor speakers on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ZEALOT-S98 Speaker. The ZEALOT-S98 Bluetooth speaker is a portable audio device designed for outdoor and indoor activities, boasting impressive specifications that enhance its usability and sound quality. With a powerful 160W output and a 360-degree stereo sound experience, it delivers rich bass and clear audio, making it ideal for parties and gatherings. The speaker features a robust 36,000 mAh battery, allowing for up to 12 hours of continuous playback and a standby time of over 30 days. It utilizes Bluetooth 5.3 technology for stable connectivity within a 10-meter range and supports playback from microSD cards in various audio formats. The S98 is built with a durable plastic cabinet and is waterproof, catering to outdoor use. It also includes features like dual pairing for connecting 2 speakers simultaneously, a built-in microphone, and passive noise cancellation. With a sleek design and user-friendly operation, the ZEALOT-S98 is a reliable choice for music enthusiasts seeking a powerful, portable speaker. Number 2. Tronsmart Mirtune Speaker. The Tronsmart Mirtune S100 is a powerful portable Bluetooth speaker designed for outdoor use, featuring an impressive output power of 50W and a robust battery capacity of 8,000 mAh, providing up to 20 hours of playtime at moderate volume levels. Its IPX7 waterproof rating ensures durability against water exposure, making it ideal for camping, poolside, or beach activities. The speaker supports Bluetooth version 5.3 and allows simultaneous connection of 2 devices within a wireless range of 10 to 20 meters. Users can customize their audio experience through the Tronsmart app, which offers features like EQ adjustment and a dazzling light show. Additional functionalities include a built-in power bank for charging devices, stereo pairing capabilities, and a retractable handle for easy transport. The Mirtune S100 is compatible with various audio codecs and supports multiple playback options, enhancing its versatility for music lovers on the go. Number 3. Tribit StormBox Blast 2. The Tribit StormBox Blast 2 is a robust outdoor party speaker designed to deliver an explosive audio experience with a powerful 200W output, featuring an 80W subwoofer, dual 45W mid-range drivers, and 2 15W tweeters, all supported by advanced TI amplifiers. It boasts a versatile karaoke function with adjustable reverb effects and dual microphone inputs, making it perfect for lively gatherings. The speaker offers a remarkable 30-hour playtime, allowing for extended entertainment, and features cutting-edge Bluetooth 5.4 technology for seamless connectivity. Its rugged IP67 waterproof rating ensures durability during outdoor activities, while customizable dynamic LED lighting synced to music adds an engaging visual element. With additional functionalities like EQ customization via the Tribit app and a built-in power bank for charging devices, the StormBox Blast 2 is tailored for parties, camping, and any outdoor adventure. Number 4. DOS Bluetooth Speaker. The DOS Soundbox Pro Plus is a portable Bluetooth speaker designed for both indoor and outdoor use, offering a powerful 24W stereo sound with enhanced bass through its dual full-range drivers and twin symmetric passive radiators. Featuring Bluetooth 5.0 for stable and fast connectivity, it supports multiple playback options including AUX-in, TF card, and wireless Bluetooth. The speaker is equipped with IPX5 waterproofing, making it resistant to splashes and light rain, and includes beat-driven party lights that sync to the music for added ambience. With a built-in 2,600 mAh battery, it provides up to 15 hours of playtime at 50% volume without lights. Additional features include TWS pairing for connecting 2 speakers for immersive stereo sound, volume and playback controls, and compatibility with popular music services like Apple Music and Amazon Music. The DOS Soundbox Pro Plus is lightweight at 850G, made of durable plastic and metal materials, and comes with a USB-C charging cable and user manual. Number 5. MLOVE P3 Outdoor Speaker. The MLOVE P3 portable Bluetooth speaker is a versatile and robust audio device designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Featuring Bluetooth 5.3 technology, it ensures a stable connection with low latency and superior sound quality. With a powerful 40W output, 2 full-range speakers, and 2 low-frequency amplifiers, it delivers an immersive audio experience. The speaker is IP67, rated for dust and water resistance, making it ideal for outdoor adventures, while its 3700 mAh battery offers up to 12 hours of playback on a single charge. Additional features include RGB dynamic lighting for parties, TWS pairing for synchronized audio across 2 speakers, and support for multiple audio formats via Bluetooth or micro SD cards. Its lightweight, portable design, USB-C charging, and durable construction make it a reliable companion for travel, camping, and social gatherings.